Company SumyFitoFarmacia is one of the leading suppliers of medicinal vegetative raw materials in Eastern Europe. Its leadership can be proved by increasing the volumes of sales for 23% and volumes of purchases for 25%, and also by increasing the number of partners for 60% and assortment of the products by 10% during the last 3 years. Company started its activities 10 years ago. Nowadays, SumyFitoFarmacia is a group of companies with its headquarters in Sumy, Ukraine, representative branches in Russia, Poland and Georgia, with over 300 employees. Company activities include collection and cultivation of medicinal herbs and aromatic plants, import of raw materials from different regions all over the world, processing of medicinal herbs and raw materials, supplying of different raw materials. Turnover of the company is around 5,000 tons of raw materials, which include more than 400 species of medicinal herbs, spices, dry vegetables, dried fruits, and natural tea ingredients. In 2010, the total sales of the company were around 4,800 tons, and total purchases were 5,300 tons of raw materials. SumyFitoFarmacia is a member of Ukrainian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. In 2008 and 2009, SumyFitoFarmacia was awarded by title of Exporter and Importer of the Year in rating of International Trade Chamber of Commerce and Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Ukraine. Company awarded by Order of Star of Ukrainian Economics of 3rd degree for development of external economic connections. In 2009, SumyFitoFarmacia passed certification for correspondence to the standard of European Union Regulations 83407 and 88908, standards of National Organic Program, and Japanese agriculture standards, under the control of Italian accredited body, ICEA. This certification allows to supply products which are organic to the new markets and new customers. We certified 83 items. Company certified by standards of ISO 9001 and ISO 22000. Company registered its own trademark, Medicinal Herbs of Ukraine. Our customers are big, medium and small enterprises from pharmaceutical, tea, spice and other industries where our products can be used. We care about every customer and trying to satisfy their needs by providing flexible terms and conditions, competitive prices and guarantee for products' quality. Company export product to Europe, United States, Japan, Asia and Africa. The volumes of export is about 2,000 tons of raw materials. SumyFitoFarmacia covers market demand for medicinal herbs in Ukraine almost for all the customers working in this industry, and around 60% of market demand in Russia. By having good connections with our farmers, who collect and cultivate botanicals for us by training them according to the requirements of different standards, program and regulation, we can obtain traceability of the product and control the process of cultivation, collection and preparing the materials for us. More than half of company products are produced locally, where company facilities located. We are trying to develop agriculture field in our countries in order to have strong basis for company development. By exchanging an experience with our farmers, suppliers and customers, we are trying to grow with them and to satisfy their needs more. We are trying to teach them how to grow with us and how to work in most beneficial way for all of us. Company have good relation with suppliers from different regions where we buy more than 2,000 tons of raw materials. We are proud of our farmers, suppliers and customers who help us to continue our way. SumyFitoFarmacia has good established quality control process, which is carried out by our quality control department and laboratory, which is accredited for making analysis according to the requirements of pharmacopoeia and technical documentations. For all the products coming in and out, quality control must be done. It starts from taking representative sample from the lots during receiving, processing and selling of raw materials. Depending on the results of analysis, will be made a decision if the product quality needs to be improved or not, if the product corresponds to the requirements of specification or not. Quality control is carried out on every stage of product movement. Our laboratory has modern equipment for making analysis, and this helps us to analyze the product fully according to the requirements of the customers. We can make analysis for irradiation and can guarantee that every lot of our product is safe for human consumption and has no dangerous elements which can be harmful. Our production facilities are always improving due to the increasing of volumes of processing products and assortment of raw materials, and also due to high quality standards. Production process at our facilities includes cleaning and primary sorting, cutting of different fractions, separating of different fractions, granulation, milling, mixing, packing and labeling of the raw materials. We can produce raw materials not only according to the requirements of different technical documentations, but according to the quality requirements of our customers. Company installed 6 processing lines for past 2 years. SumyFitoFarmacia invests more and more in improving of its production facilities. We have around 15 warehouses where we store both raw materials and ready-for-supply products. SumyFitoFarmacia participating in exhibitions and fairs, seminars and conferences to have more knowledge about the current changes in the market of medicinal raw materials, to meet new customers and suppliers, and to discuss new projects with already existing partners. SumyFitoFarmacia, well-known brand. We are always glad to welcome new members to our family.